Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Kia battery, easy method. Start by parking level and engaging the brake, then open the hood and locate the battery. Remove any plastic covers and inspect clamps for corrosion before loosening. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and lift the battery straight up using both hands or a strap. Clean the tray and terminals before installing the new battery and secure clamps firmly. Get your tools organized and confirm the correct battery size for your Kia by checking the owner manual or original battery label. Clear a workspace and lay out a towel to catch drips, and prepare a baking soda solution for neutralizing corrosion. Use the proper wrench to avoid rounding bolts and position the new battery ready to lift in. Keep both hands steady when lifting and avoid tilting the battery to prevent spills. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: grab an Echo Dot smart speaker to play repair playlists, set step timers, or ask for torque specs while your hands are busy. I like recommending tools that make DIY easier and more fun, and the Dot fits naturally on a workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After disconnecting terminals and removing hold-down hardware, lift the old battery straight up and place it on an absorbent pad away from your workspace. Inspect cable ends and clean them with a wire brush or terminal cleaner until shiny. Set the new battery in the tray, install the hold-down, connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure all connections are snug. Test by starting the engine and checking electronics for errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.